how to upload reels on Facebook. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily upload reels on your Facebook or Facebook page. So even if you are using Facebook page, just head over to your facebook.com and make sure you're currently logged into your respective account, whether you are using Facebook page or Facebook. So once you're inside here, just tap on this profile icon from the top left corner, or you can also tap on this top right corner. And once you're inside here under this reel section, you can see, just tap on that. And now to create a new reel, you can basically tap on this create reel button over here. So it will open up a new window just like this. Now you can simply add a video, or you can even drag or drop a video. So let me just quickly drag and drop my video over here. So let's say I want to upload this video over here, so I'll simply drag and drop it over here just like this to my respective browser where my Facebook is open. So from over here you can basically click on next, and you can even trim your video. Now you just have to provide your caption for your video. So let me just quickly create a caption for this video. And once you do all of that, you can also create a hashtag to make your video viral. Now you simply scroll down and you can choose whether you want your video to be public, that is, you want your video to be private as well. You can also change it, and you can even tag people or boost the reel to reach out to more audience. Like that, you should be successfully uploading any sort of reels or videos on your Facebook or Facebook page. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.